Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? You're welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe. For a returning subscriber, thank you. So today, guys, I'll be bringing you guys an entirely different video based on the situation of Nigeria currently. We are currently experiencing, I wouldn't say it's economic breakdown, but I would say it's finance breakdown. Not really finance breakdown, but due to the exchange of the currency, it has really affected a whole lot of things. So the currency was exchanged, but then again, not much of the new notes actually in circulation. So it's really affecting us. And on my own end, I had a very terrible experience today. So that's why I'm using this video as a medium to help those that might equally encounter such experience or such situation which I have encountered. So we all know that recently you use money to get money in Nigeria. It is what we called afoworawo in Yoruba, where you pay someone to collect money. You get, it's like normal POS, but this time around is almost slashed into two, like almost half of what you're withdrawing. So if you're in Nigeria, you will definitely know what is happening right now. The protests, the killing, the bombing of, I think, banks and police stations due to this scarcity of money and fuel and other things. So that's why I'm doing this video, because I know some people are out there with difficulties to do bank transactions and other things. In fact, the bank transactions are not helping issues, because some of the banks currently are not working. Some are shut down, like some are practically shut down, and their online banking system is not really that functioning. Not that they are not functioning like that, but I think it's really busy and crowded, so it's either too slow or the bank will not be available or something of such. The solution here, you understand? So I will just go straight to my Chrome browser. I don't want this video to be too lengthy. You get what actually happened was that I went to a mall to buy something, but I went with my ATM card. Okay, I'll use the POS on the fact that outside the mall, if you are to withdraw or maybe 1,000 naira, you have to pay like 400 naira. You get, so just imagine you're withdrawing 20k, how much are you paying? So since the mall is offering to, okay, we are going to remove our charges, but it won't be more than, let's just say, like 500 or 200 naira. So I felt it's the better way, but I eventually ended up spending like 2 hours on the queue, because the queue was terrible, and then the network was so bad, like transfers were not going through. The POS too, the connection was very slow. So eventually I was about leaving what I bought, that okay, if I can't even buy these things today, let me just go home, because I'm already frustrated. Because that bank was actually my lifesaver today, because when all the banks were saying available will be available in 15 minutes, recipient bank not available, try again, server timeout, something like that, Kuda bank came through for me. Like, the transfer was like, what have you gone, like, it was like jazz. It was fast, it was efficient. Like, my bank was still booting to bring out the name, you understand, to bring out the name. So the person who recommended it, or let me just say, okay, said that okay, I should do the transfer to my Kuda bank account, then from my Kuda bank I will do the transfer to the mall. You understand? So I felt like, okay, since we have been here for a very long time, there is no harm in trying. Hey, voila. What I just did was, okay, I went to kuda.com, and Kuda is spelled as kuda.com. So I clicked on it, and when I clicked on it, I clicked on the sign up button. So this is it. You click on open an account. Once you click on open an account, it will ask you whether it is a Naira account. This is basically what I just did, like instantly, because we've been there for only God knows how long. If you have been there, you know that even some provision stores sef do not accept transfer. Continue the sign up process. Now the password is just to secure your account, just to secure your account, like normal bank app password. That is what the password is, to secure your account. You understand? So the next one, then you do your verification. You get me? You do your verification. You input a means of identity. I already have a means of identity on my phone, so it was quite easy for me to upload it. Most of us have it on our phones, so it was quite easy for me to upload it. And then you take a facial expression picture of yourself, just for them to know that you are a human being. You understand? That's just basically the verification process that you have to go through. And then you're after that, you'll be able to access your account with your bank details. Like, I was so surprised when they said they saw it. Immediately I used Kuda app. Like, it was, oh my god. Kuda sha, thank you. But this is not a sponsored whatever, you get. Doing this I'm just doing it based on the fact that I know there are a lot of people out there that are experiencing the same issue, and they don't even know about Kuda and how fast Kuda can be. In fact, it will amaze you once you start using Kuda. So let me just log into my account now. So guys, it is important that on this online street, if you want to make money, you don't just jump into this online street. It is a business on its own. So you need to restructure your mindset, have the mentality, understand the basics of business. And that is why I am giving away my ebook. Actually, the ebook is selling on seller for 3,500, but I'm giving it out to my beautiful subscribers for 1,200, with an extra additional two ebooks to restructure your mindset on this online street. Ebook will give you that business mentality, and that is why I'm giving it out for 1,200. So the link will be on the Telegram channel or in the description box, guys. So do well to get this ebook and set your mind count. But then again, let me just tell you one thing that will blow your mind. All your transactions are free on Kuda, aside from the stamp duty they remove. I think it is even every month, which is 50 naira. The rest transaction that you'll be doing is totally free. Like, totally free. I don't even know how to express myself, but then again, it is totally free. So if you want to, go into where your account number is, like if you're looking for how to get your Kuda account number, you just click on this add money. And once you click on this add money, you click on bank transfer. Once you click on bank transfer, you see it's Kuda Microfinance Bank. This is your account number and this is your name. You understand? It is very easy. As in, I was so shocked at the fact that you can easily you there is still a network that can go like in one touch. So another thing I saw here is this their investment section. You understand? I was so happy when I saw this investment section, because this their investment section will allow you to invest in US, I think, how will I put it, US stocks. But The lowest you can do is $10. You understand? So that is the lowest you can do, but it is just another means of saving your money. If you are investing in US stocks, you will know that it is not a small something. You understand? It is not a small something, although it fluctuates at times, but it is also a good investment. So the next one here is the cards. You can receive Kuda card, like Kuda card that you can use to withdraw money. Omo, I didn't know Kuda had all these features. Like, God, these past few days, even anytime I want to do transaction, I'll have to collect the account number and take the account number back home. You don't understand? Take the account number back home and go and do the transaction, and then the next day I'll go back there and say, okay, let me collect it. If I can't do it like that, I'll withdraw the money no matter the charges they are charging me. Me like this, I'm a hustler. I know how I'm hustling for my money. So it's it's not funny, rara. Hmm. Kuda, na you biko, na you biko. So that's just basically a way out currently when your banks are fucking up, or when those banks are doing one kind, I don't know. That this is just basically a way out. You understand? So I just felt like I have to share this with some people, because I don't know who is experiencing what I am experiencing or what I have experienced. And let me surprise you, immediately I did the transaction, everybody was just asking, how did you do it? I use Kuda, or how can we download Kuda? Okay, send me the link, and people downloaded it. You get? So that's that about Kuda and how you can tackle the current financial or money problem we are facing in Nigeria.